Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and microphone access is allowed. Once done, open settings to choose your primary and target languages so the app knows what to expect. Now open the Translate app and tap the language pair at the top to set the direction. You're starting the actual translation flow immediately. Use Wi-Fi for better accuracy or enable on-device mode for privacy. This gets you ready to speak or type right away. You'll now perform translations using 3 input methods: speak, type, or camera. Tap the microphone and speak clearly. Press and hold for longer phrases and release to let the app process. This reduces clipping. If it's noisy, type the sentence instead, which gives cleaner results and lets you edit before translation. For printed text, choose the camera mode and scan signs or menus. Once captured, drag or tap to translate lines. Make sure to switch directional languages as needed before each input. You'll finish by reviewing and distributing the result. Tap play to hear the translation, share to send text or audio, and star to save frequent phrases. Once done, use conversation mode to create a split view for two-way live exchanges. Hand your phone or rotate it for clearer participation. If translations seem wrong, retry by speaking slower and enunciating, update iOS and the app, or enable on-device mode to avoid network errors. These steps close the loop and keep translations reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.